Hello friends, welcome to Momentum Stocks. This discussion will be about tomorrow's market, that is July 11th. Okay. I'm going to talk about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and then one stock to buy and one stock to sell. Okay. And if you are liking my channel, do subscribe. And if you are liking and making profits with my channel, please share it with your friends and family members as well, friends. That way you would not be missing any updates that I am giving on this channel, friends. Okay, so coming to our analysis, see, this is the chart for Nifty, right? So this is the chart for Nifty, friends. So what do we see here is this is on 1 hour time frame. Notice this. Okay, so what do we see here? We see if we draw a Fibо from this particular high here, okay, this is one of the major high or important high to this low. From this important high to this low, we draw a Fibо. Here 50% is crossed, friends. Okay, and even the 61.8% Fibo levels are crossed here. Okay, this is the analysis on 1 hour. Now coming to 5 minutes. Okay, now what do we see here? Here Nifty made a gap up and it could sustain that gap up. Again it made a gap up. It could sustain that gap up as well. Now what do we see? We see a simple trend line like this. Okay, and a breakout. At this breakout, what can we do? We can simply go ahead and buy. So it is a positive scene here in Nifty. Okay, so we can go do a buy. We can keep a small stop loss of 16,200 somewhere here, and against which we can easily take 70-80 points as our target, because once this breakout comes, I have shown you in 1 hour time frame that there is no easy resistance that it has. This is the next resistance, which is around 170 or 180 points up. Okay, this is one way of planning for Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty, before we go to Bank Nifty, let me keep you posted. Nifty is a little weak when compared to Bank Nifty, so I would not suggest you to buy Nifty even at this breakout. And the reason for that you'll understand in the explanation of Bank Nifty that I'm going to give you. So coming to Bank Nifty now. So here is a 1 hour chart for Bank Nifty, friends. If I draw a Fibo from this top, okay, to this particular bottom, it is here. Okay, what do we see? Bank Nifty has crossed the 50% with a gap up. It has sustained, crossed this level also. It's much above this levels, friends. 61.8 levels के काफी ऊपर है. Okay, and if we come back to 5 minutes here, 5 मिनट के चार्ट में आपको क्या दिख रहा है? Let's see. Simple. See, similar is the story here. Okay, this is a easy breakout. So now for it to break out, this is the only breakout. Okay, once this breakout comes, there will be a very good upward momentum. Now if we analyze the same thing on a 1 minute chart, what do we see? See, friends, this is where Bank Nifty has retested multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finally broke it, went down, 6. Now after 6th attempt, if it goes up, there will not be any resistance that can stop this so easily. Okay, but as I mentioned earlier in this video, here the attempts are only 1, 2 and 3 in Nifty. So there is a possibility of it turning down, but here the possibility of turning down has been reduced. Okay, I hope I made my point very clear. So if you want to go short, I would suggest you to go short on Nifty. But if you want to go long, Bank Nifty is the place to go long, friends. Okay, so do we go ahead and trade simply as soon as it comes to this level? The answer is no. See, if we draw a Fibo from this bottom, okay, this is the recent bottom, to this top, this is the top, friends. You might have seen in yesterday's video, I have taken the trade somewhere here. Anyways, that's not important. I clearly mentioned that if it comes somewhere here, I'm going to do a buy, and exactly that's what happened. Clearly went till here. Now what are we going to do? We are going to wait for a small retracement. If there is a retracement somewhere here, and if we locate any pattern that is going upwards, that is when we would go ahead and create a buy position. In Bank Nifty, we also see this pattern, friends. See, at this particular levels, let me show you something. What is this? This is a clear head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder pattern, friends. Okay. So usually 90% of the times whenever there is such a pattern, there is a very good upward move, and that's what happened. Okay. So hope you understood the logic behind buying on Bank Nifty and selling on Nifty. On Nifty, you will see, friends, see the similar pattern is there here. I would not say exactly, but yes, there is a similar pattern like this. Not exact book pattern, but there is a pattern. There is a chance of it to go down. But Bank Nifty is looking very strong to me. Anyways, coming back to the stock for the day. The first stock is HDFC, friends. See, HDFC is in continuous downtrend here. We do see that. Okay. Now see what is happening exactly. See, from this top to this bottom, if I draw a Fibo, what did the stock do? After this, it made a gap up, touched the 50%, took rejection from there and went down. Correct? Now, when it went down, if we extend our Fibo till here, what did the stock do? It came from here, it touched exactly 38.2. See this, friends, and again fell down. Now if we extend the Fibo till here, okay, till this point, what it did? Came till here and fell down. Now if we extend the Fibo till here, from here if it falls, this target is very easy to achieve, friends. Okay, so these levels are easily achievable. Where will it take the entry? We'll take the entry somewhere above these two levels at 549, 550 ish. From there we can easily fall till this levels, which is 539, 540 levels. Okay, I hope you understood the reason why I am giving it for a sell. Most important reason is the trend. Trend is continuously downwards, friends. Okay. Hope you understood the logic behind sell for HDFC and HDFC Life to be precise. And our buy stock for today would be SBI Life. See, in SBI Life, you can clearly see there is a upward trend. And if I draw a trend line here, see, friends, this particular breakout is already done. Okay, and it has come here. Now, if you watch closely on a 1 minute time frame, what will you see? Okay, you will see that there is another breakout that has come already. Where is that breakout? I'll draw and show. See, this breakout has also come. Okay, now all we are waiting is for it to retest. Once it retests at somewhere at this levels, we would create a buy position. Where will our target be? Definitely above this levels, friends. This trend line can be our target easily. So this trend line is achievable, which is close to 1149. Okay, and after this it can go upwards. And what would be our second or a long-term target? That will be this resistance zone, friends. Where is the resistance zone? This is the resistance zones. 1165, 1164, 1165 is our final target. Can we achieve that in one day? Probably not. We will simply achieve this points here from close to 44 to 49. And then if there is a downward trend, we would exit there. And in future again, we may try for 60, 65 levels, friends. Okay. I hope you liked the video. Do subscribe to the channel. And you can share this video with your friends and family members who have interest in trading and making money through trading. Thanks for watching. Happy trading.